Maraming salamat at magbuhay po tayo. Magandang ating po sa luha.
Local government delegated Daet for the Millennium Development Goals. Tawagin po natin si Honorable Mayor Tito Saron.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Pagkasahin ko po ang declaration ng LGU Daet. Today is a field day for fight against poverty and the achievement of the Millennium Development Goals, signed by 189 United Nations member countries in the Millennium Declaration in the year 2000. The MDGs represent a historic promise and a roadmap for the fight against poverty. We have entered the last 5 years under the deadline established by the international community to achieve the goals. Although in the last years, much progress has been made, some of the current negative trends must improve if the goals are to be achieved. Also, the current crisis threatens to stop or even reverse some of the progress made. For this reason, the Secretary General of the United Nations has convened a summit of the MDGs, which will take place in New York on September 20 to 22, 2010. The aim of this summit is to evaluate the successes, the failures, the challenges in the fight against extreme poverty worldwide, as well as to present, rescue, and breakthrough plans to accelerate the achievement of the MDGs by 2015. We, the local government of Daet, is determined to achieve the Millennium Development Goals. We show our determination, thus giving priority to the MDGs and poverty and hunger, ensure universal primary education, promote gender equality, reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV/AIDS, ensure environmental sustainability, and develop a global partnership which guarantees for rich countries collaborate with more and more effective aid, more sustainable debt relief, and fairer trade rules for the poorest countries. Emphasizing the important role of the local governments and the promotion of the MDGs highlights the need for public awareness, raising actions in order to achieve the 8 goals of 2015. Raising public awareness and the fact that the achievement of MDGs requires a commitment from the society as a whole. We, the local government unit of Daet, asks the national government to keep the promises made in the Millennium Declaration and take advantage of this historic opportunity to make poverty history and create a more peaceful world. Ensure that the Millennium Development Goals are met in each and every country. Formally recognize the role of local government as an essential and unique partner in implementing the Millennium Development Goals, and empower to strengthen local level capacity so that local governments are able to fulfill their mandate and effectively deliver MDG-related services to their communities. In line of this declaration, we would like to announce that the Secretary of Daet, headed by Honorable Felix Abrano, and this representation as the local chief executive has adopted a resolution strongly supporting the implementation in the local levels of the Millennium Development Goals. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat.
So, lahat po ay aking inayahan tumayo ngayon. Yung po mga kabalina, police, Philippine National Police, yung mga empleyado, sana-sana po tayo dito. Sa gitna po. Tayo po ay nakikita sa United Nations at sa to show our commitment to fight against extreme poverty and inequality. Today we stand up together to save our leaders. We have 5 years left before the 2015 deadline to realize the Millennium Development Goals. We know the goals are achievable if we have the political will. The time is running out, and we will not accept any excuses. We cannot allow the poor to unjustly suffer the consequences of the economic, food, and climate crisis for which they bear no responsibility. Maupo po tayong lahat. Maupo tayo. Maupo tayo. Okay. Sabay-sabay tayong tumayo. We stand today in solidarity with millions of people all over the world. People who believe in a world where poverty and hunger can and must end, where mothers no longer die in childbirth and women's rights are respected. Until today and every day, we will sling development goals. The call to our leaders is simple. It has been 10 years since the Millennium Declaration. We will not stay seated and watch as our family continue to suffer in hunger, pain, and abuses. Ready? And poverty!
Sa naging kinalabasan ng aktibidad nating Make a Noise?
Masayang-masaya ako deep inside kasi we have contributed doon sa call for ending poverty and supporting the Millennium Development Goals. Kaya yung LGU, marami kaming gagawin na naka-align dito sa mga Mdgs na ito. At gusto ko magpasalamat sa maraming pumunta dito na sumuporta.
Sir, naabot po ba natin yung target natin na 30,000?
Actually, target lang natin yun, pero sa palagay ko, hindi umabot doon, no?
Ilan, sir, yung estimated crowd?
Estimate is around 20,000 lang siguro yun.
Sir, after this event, ano po yung mga susunod na programa ng LGU Daet para tapusin yung kahirapan by the end of 2015?
Yung more appropriation for livelihood, enhancement of economic situation natin, saka health services, yung global partnership, hindi lang tayo dito sa local or national, we have to reach out sa ibang bansa, lalo na dun sa call natin na yung mga mayayamang bansa itulungan yung mga mahihirap na bansa. Very basic is we have to give solutions sa malnutrition problem, So we have to enhance productivity on agriculture at saka marami pang iba. So lahat naman ito mararamdaman ng mga kababayan natin.
Sir, ano mangyayari doon sa mga baon na tinatapon nila doon kanina?
Yun ay gagawin nating uling at magsisimbolize ng cooperation dahil yan ay gagamitin ng isang community na hirap sa source ng energy. So tuturuan natin sila at ibibigay natin na itong yung mga uling na madidirag dito para mag-symbolize ng contribution para natin sa kabuhayan ng ating mga kababayan.
Sir, on that note, ano na lang po yung masasabi ninyo sa ating mga kababayan? Message, sir.
Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta dito o kaya makapanood nito at maunawaan ang mensahe ng Mdgs at sa buong mundo ginawa po itong activity na ito ngayon at sana ay maramdaman natin lahat, lalo na yung mga nandito, na we have shared and we have done something para umangat ang kalagayan ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino at lahat ng mga naghihirap na mga mamamayan sa buong mundo.
Sir, pahabol, masasabi na ba natin na parang kasaysayan itong naganap dito ngayon? Kauna-unahan ba tayo, sir, sa buong Pilipinas na nagsagawa nito?
Tayo kauna-unahan sa buong Pilipinas ngayong araw na ito at yung video natin ay i-upload kaagad sa internet para ma-receive ng United Nations. So, kaya may malaki tayo ditong pangalan na Daet, Camarines Norte, Philippines sapagkat ito ay in pagpapakilala o identity natin that we have participated in this.
Sir, ipapalabas ba to sa UN Summit sa September 20?
Dala-dala ito ni President Noynoy sa UN Summit. Kaya maganda yung